and it's 80 feet long.
Today's event is the 2018 National Manufacturing Day. It's a joint partnership with Shelby County Schools, the Division of College, Career, and Technical Education, as well as the Greater Chamber of Memphis.
This allows for them to make the connection between what they're learning in class and to see how it can be applied in a manufacturing space.
So we have to do the right things in the classroom so when they leave, and I just spoke of job placement, they want to be on track to know exactly what they're doing.
There are 5 Class 1 railroads in Memphis, Tennessee that have job openings, have careers in everything, in every discipline you can imagine, from welding and fitting to design to IT.
One of these is 3,627 pounds. Think you can press this?
You cannot unsee what you have seen. And if you don't see it, you may never come to understand it. And so there are people all around the world doing manufacturing, including in Memphis, and we want our kids to know this is a real live thing. You can earn a living wage doing this work, and it may be your life's work that you haven't run across yet.